the idea popped up in my head and I decided, hey, why not try it? Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, you know when one thought leads to a next thought and to a next thought and then you just end up in this very deep rabbit hole?
And curiosity often leads to trouble. Goodbye, Dinah. Good night.
If you guys aren't new here, then you already know I reviewed a product some long time ago. It's a shower detangling brush. And when I say I love that tool, I use it every single week to do my hair and it's a staple in my regimen. I love it. So I figured I already have my detangling brush, I'm in the shower, my hair feeling good. I want to kind of see my hair straightened a bit, kind of little bit. So the thought just popped up in my head. What would happen if I wrapped my hair while it's soaking wet and then allow it to air dry? So I'm starting off this experiment with deep conditioner already in my hair, and if you're familiar with my wash day routine, then you know I already have shampooed my hair, detangled my hair with my detangling brush, added my deep conditioner and covered it up with my saran wrap, and basically lived the last 40 days and 40 nights with the deep conditioner in my hair. I don't really have a plan as yet, but I know that I want to wrap my hair with this shower brush, so let's see how that goes. If your hair has never been relaxed, then you probably don't know what a wrap is. It's basically wrapping your hair around your head in one big circle. Ooh, this is gonna cause a mess. Yes, my bathroom was a total mess after this. So the last time I relaxed my hair was in 2015, so that's over 4 years. And the last time I wrapped my hair was some long time before that. So I was pretty nervous. I was basically relying on muscle memory because I haven't done this in a really long time. So yeah. And this is where I knew I may actually be able to put my natural hair in a wrap. And you know, I don't think I would have thought of doing a wrap on my natural hair if it wasn't for this shower brush. It's looking good. So all I'm doing is just taking up a small piece of section, brushing it through with the shower brush, which is simultaneously washing the deep conditioner out of my hair, and then I'm just wrapping it around my head. Doing all of this and trying not to waterboard myself. Oh dear. As you can see, my soaking wet hair, especially at the length that it is right now, it stays where I put it until the hair gets a little too heavy. The hair is starting to get heavy now, so I think this is where I should probably add pins. Yeah, you can see the hair is falling. Just do it over. Let's just do it over, okay? I think that went by really nicely because I had the deep conditioner in my hair. And since I basically just washed out all the deep conditioner doing that test run, I'm gonna add more conditioner in my hair, just regular rinse out conditioner, and try the wrap again. And then as I go along, I'll add the pins, alright? have my hair wrapped. I haven't had my hair wrapped since I was relaxed. It's dropping, wait. That's normal though. Wait. You have to smooth it all down.
So my basic theory is the smoother I can get my hair while it's soaking wet, the straighter it will dry. But that's just my theory.
So here where my head is at right now. My hair is in the wrap, but it doesn't have any product in it. Because clearly I just used a shower brush to put it in the wrap, so it basically washed all the conditioner down the drain. No biggie. However, I don't think I really want my hair to dry. Wow. Okay, Rain.
So before Mother Nature rudely interrupted us, all I was saying is that I don't want my hair to dry without any product in it. So I'm just gonna add some foaming mousse to my hair now.
And because the mousse adds extra hold to my hair, I can remove the jumbo hairpins now and just continue to smooth down this wrap.
So I switch between the paddle brush, my white tooth comb, just to smooth that hair down. Cause I feel as though once I get a smooth wrap, we'll be good.
So I found this net that I have. So I'm gonna tie down my hair with this, and because the holes are so big, it will allow hair and because the holes are so big on this net, this hair net, it's gonna allow air to pass through and actually dry my hair. At least that's the theory. Okay, I have no guarantees this is gonna work, so let's just cross our fingers and hope for the best. Okay? Okay. So I've allowed my hair to completely air dry. No heat at all. And it's been over 24 hours. However, I do have a lot of hair, okay? So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that my hair was completely dry. Although it has been raining a lot in the afternoons here in Jamaica, so actually that could have really lengthened the time it took for this hair to dry. But in my opinion, I thought it dried pretty quickly, relatively, kind of. What I'm expecting is that my hair is going to be a bit dry because it's just foam added to my hair. So I ain't expecting flowy, moisturized hair, that's for sure. Huh. Okay. I can see texture. So we know for sure it didn't get my hair completely straightened, but Alright, let's just shake it now. Oh my god, I haven't done this in so long. This is how I would have pulled down my hair when it was relaxed. Just shake it like this. Oh, I feel a little moisture in the middle of my head. Okay, well, it's too late now. Okay, it's dry. My head dry.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Here what? I'm not going to continue touching my hair like this while it is still dry. So I'm gonna put a little moisturizer on my hands and then continue to basically take my hair down from this wrap.
And remember, my hair is not silky smooth, so it's not gonna just fall out of the wrap. I have to work on it a little bit.
Yep, the wrap definitely gave me a little extra stretch to my hair. It's not like blow dried stretch, but it's stretch, okay? Fun fact, the last time I used this blow dryer on my hair was actually the day I reviewed it. Yeah. It really just crossed my mind. I haven't blow dried my hair for that long. So I went ahead and I blow dried just this side of my head just to see the difference between my blow dried hair and my wet wrap hair without heat. You can tell the difference. Yeah, this is my hair fully stretched. And look at my ends, I feel so proud of myself. I really thought I needed a drastic trim, but looking at my ends, it doesn't really look like that. Like, of course I can feel some single strand knots, but in terms of see-through ends and uneven hair, nope. Anyway, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and give me a thumbs up. And I do realistically know that this technique won't work for every one of you guys out there, but I thought about it. I wanted to see what it would do to my hair, and yeah, this is what happened. If you're new here, then yes, this is how we operate hair. We have random thoughts and do random things, and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. But if you're up for the ride and you want to join along in the journey, then just click that subscribe button. And if you're not sure as yet that you want to click the subscribe button, then I'll have more of my videos up in the icon so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then, come on, if you can actually sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos and you do not absolutely hate hearing my voice by then clearly that means you just belong here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Simple logics. Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later!